Hi, this is Jörg Neugschwender from Liscos National Data Center in Luxembourg. In this short tutorial I will show you how to use weights in Stata. The focus of this exercise is to exemplify how weighting is used properly and how it possibly affects the results. Okay, so let's get started. In the first step you will need to open your Lissi interface. After selecting the project and package that you are working in, you can assign a subject line and you can start to type. So in this exercise we'll be using the dataset US18. You can specify in Stata path name by using the $sign. We recommend each user to just load the variables needed for computation in order to speed up the computation time. Now let us proceed with the syntax needed for this exercise. So in the first step we need to equivalize the DHI by the square root of household members. In the second step we create a poverty line as 50% of this variable. So we summarize EDHI and we multiply it by the household weights and number of persons in this household. Note, if you are at the individual level, you should not specify the number of household members again, otherwise you are double counting. Then we take the outcome in a scalar and we are just using this value in order to compute a new binary variable which gets the value 1 in case a person is poor, so 50% of this value, and is non-poor, value 0, if the EDHI is larger than 50% of the poverty line and the DHI is not missing. So in the last step we can now calculate the headcount ratio of poor persons. So first we can just summarize the whole valid population sample in order to get some of the weights, and then we can just summarize poor population. A division of the poor population by the sample population multiplied by 100 gives us percentage share of poor persons in the sample. Now let us send this job to the Lissi interface. In the recent jobs, you will be shortly seeing a job coming up which show you the results of this job. In the listing, you will see that dataset US18 has been opened, that we have successfully summarized the variable, and that we are now creating one by one all the requests. In our example, 17.55% of the population in the US 2018 are considered poor. Note, the line below shows a much more neat outcome. It specifies, in addition to the poverty rate, also the country name, the D name, and a label to the statistic. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. Feel free to contact me if you have further questions. Have a nice day. Bye bye.